In 2026, we find ourselves awash in a tide of disposable technology, a landfill contrast to the tools that once defined enduring quality. Most items arriving on your doorstep today are frankly designed for obsolescence, engineered to fail just beyond their warranty. But occasionally, a product emerges that defies this current, built with an integrity that speaks to permanence. This, my friends, is one such rarity. We are discussing a strategic asset, a system designed to eradicate the efficiency leakage that plagues even the most organized professional. Think about it. How many minutes do you or your team waste daily searching for a specific tool, a critical component, or even the right cleaning agent? A few minutes saved daily, multiplied over 365 working days, quickly translates into hours of reclaimed productivity, into buying back your morning. This isn't merely a storage solution, it's a calculated investment in time. This Slatwall panel system, extending 2 feet high and 4 feet wide in its standard configuration, providing 8 square feet of critical vertical real estate, is crafted from what they term industrial-grade PVC. Dismiss any notions of flimsy, brittle plastic you might harbor from the mass market. This is a material engineered for impact resistance, stain-proofing, and an indifference to the chemicals and oils found in any active workshop or professional space. It will not warp in the searing heat of a summer garage, nor will it crack in the brutal cold of a Canadian winter. This is the kind of thermal endurance that underpins genuine reliability, a zero-flex platform that doesn't bend to environmental extremes or the weight of your most trusted implements. The physical density here is noteworthy. This isn't a featherweight solution. It carries the heft of its purpose, a dozen pounds of engineered PVC across its 2 primary sections, providing the stable foundation that lesser, thinner materials simply cannot offer. That weight, in fact, is its intrinsic strength, ensuring that when you hang a power drill or a set of heavy wrenches, the system holds firm, without a hint of sag or strain. It means your meticulously organized space stays that way, hour after hour, year after year. With 2 4-foot by 1-foot panels, offering modularity for individual or combined use, and 5 industrial-grade hooks included, the system provides immediate, tangible utility. And yes, it is designed with a T-channel that accommodates a vast array of existing Slatwall accessories, ensuring future adaptability. Installation is straightforward, a strategic investment of an hour or so, securing it firmly to wood studs, drywall, or masonry. Once it's up, your friction losses begin to plummet. Your frustration curve flattens. In an era of volatile global supply chains, where 2026 regional stock levels ebb and flow unpredictably, securing essential tools for efficiency is a matter of strategic planning. This is not just about organizing a garage, it's about optimizing workflow, about preserving your most valuable asset, your time. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock.